Apple's iPhone 16e, introduced as a more affordable alternative to the iPhone 16, offers several notable features. Display: a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED screen delivers vibrant visuals. Camera: the 48-megapixel rear camera with a 2x telephoto lens captures high-quality photos and videos. Performance: powered by the A18 chip and the C1 cellular modem, it ensures smooth operation and enhanced connectivity. Design: maintains Apple's sleek aluminum and glass design, available in black and white with a matte finish. Battery life: improved battery performance supports up to 26 hours of video playback. Additional features includes a customizable action button, Face ID, and wireless charging. However, some features are absent, such as MagSafe charging and the physical home button. Priced at $599, the iPhone 16e offers a balance between modern features and affordability, making it a strong contender in the budget smartphone market. Subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.